Donning and doffing the helmet here. The first thing I do when I want to put it on is this strap here. Sometimes it's kind of in your way when you're holding the helmet like this. So I will swing that strap up. It's a swing strap, so it goes up or down. You kind of get it out of your way so you have a clear hold to hold the helmet. Most new parents will want to grab the helmet from kind of the bottom here or the top here, but if your fingers are wrapping around on the inside there, you will not be able to get the helmet on cleanly just because it's such an intimate fit there. So I always like to start with my fingers on the outside of the helmet and then the thumbs just kind of midline or maybe a little lower on that side opening. The next thing you want to do is you always want to be on the side of the opening here of the child there, and you can crank it wide open. You will never break this helmet. It will only flex. It will not crack ever. I've never had one break, so be right on the side there, crank it open, and if you can, come right down over the top of them. A lot of times they want to look at you. You just kind of sneak it in, kind of shooting that ear opening, trying to kind of watch that ear right there. Sometimes you can set up like a mirror on this side of you where you can see that ear perfectly, but crank it open. We're gonna go right on and then kind of tilt it forward right when you get on there. And then I always like to look at them from the front there. So sometimes you're a little kitty wampus, a little off-centered. So I'm gonna open it up with my two fingers here, just so I can kind of shift it around, get it in place, right? Kind of on top of the eyebrow line there, making sure we're centered, we're not off to the side right there. And always check this opposite ear here, making sure we're there. Sometimes you'll fold it under there when you're not able to see it on that opposite side there. So making sure that is good. And then we're gonna spin you here and get this strap in place. Pop it in there, and this little spacer will always go right in there, and then you can lay that over. You don't need to crank on the strap there. We're just taking any slack out and then laying it down there. Perfect. All right.